got a new knife. New knife, new me. That's not the knife.
Okay.
That's the knife. Mac. That's the Mac daddy of all knives. How sharp is it? Oh my God, I have an iMac.
I use MAC foundation.
Wow, we are really brand loyal.
Damn.
Only the best.
You're not cutting anything, babe.
No. Look how sharp Lily is. What's up, YouTube? Today on J-Max Amateur Kitchen, we are making bourbon chicken. Woo! Paper all day. I'm just gonna press down.
I'm sorry, is this a cooking tutorial or a knife tutorial?
This is how to cut your bills in half. All right, I'm trying to save you guys money. What goes well with bourbon chicken? How about a bourbon drink? Old fashioned. Let's get started on this. All right, first we got some chicken. We got about 3 pounds of it. Next, we got some bourbon. Bourbon. We're gonna use some honey and then J-Mac View! And we got all the rest of the ingredients to make a nice bourbon chicken. Ooh, hello. Let's get started on this. First thing we're gonna do, cut up our chicken into little pieces. 1-inch pieces. Wow. 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 Alright, cut up chicken into a bowl. To the chicken, we are adding 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. You can substitute this with flour if you'd like. 1, 2, 3. To that, we add some salt and some fresh ground pepper. Alright, and we just mix that up. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, mix it up, girl. Do you want to have a chicken ball fight?
No.
Can't blame a girl for trying. We're at our pan! Alright, to our pan, let's start heating it up. We're gonna use some grapeseed oil. Get that grapeseed oil hot. Pan's hot. Let's get our chicken into the pan. Woo. Chicken's in. Do not touch it. Don't touch it. Do not let it sit. Chicken's been cooking for about 3 minutes. Let's flip it over. Let that cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Let's make some sauce while we wait in. Let's make this sauce. First, we need a cup of water in the bowl. Next, 1/4 cup of bourbon. There we go. Yep, that's bourbon. Then, we need a 1/2 cup of apple juice. There we go. Then, we got 3/4 of a cup of honey. Ooh. We got 2/3 of a cup of soy sauce, low sodium. 1/3, 2/3. We got 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. 1, 2. We got 3 cloves of garlic, minced. Always has the trouble with the garlic. Next, we got a drink. Now, we throw in 1/3 of a cup of ketchup. This one's Polish and spicy. Yummy. Spoonskies. We just finished that off with a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder and a 1/2 teaspoon of ginger powder.
Why are you yelling at the sauce?
Because it needs to be yelled at! Now, let's just stir that sauce up a little bit. It's called whisking.
But then wouldn't you do it with a whisker, not a fork?
This is an amateur kitchen. We don't have a whisk.
You want to bet?
No.
Whisk.
Wow, you really hold on to that, huh? That just doesn't, that's not
And
going
then you
anywhere.
just...
Great, now we have to wash that. You know how much of a pain that is to wash? Gross. Out of here. All right. Sauce is done, our chicken's probably done. Let's go get our chicken. Chicken angle! Chicken's done. Let's get that on a plate. Follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. Chicken on the plate. Chicken gets on the plate, girl. Yeah, no! Yeah, no! Yeah, no! Neighbors are gonna love that. Chicken's out. Sauce in. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. Now what we're gonna do with that is we're just gonna go ahead and bring that up to a boil, okay? And then we're gonna add our chicken back into it after. Isn't that great? Doesn't that sound fun?
Sounds like a lot of work.
If you're lazy. Sauce is boiling. Let's put the chicken back in. Back into the sauce you go. Don't be shy. There it is. And then we're just gonna give that a quick stir. Make sure all the chicken's covered. We're gonna let that cook down for about 15 more minutes. Chicken's reduced down. It's ready to go. Chicken's on the plate. Let's just top that off with some chives. And that's crispy bourbon chicken. Crispy bourbon chicken. Crispy bourbon chicken. Crispy bourbon chicken. Oh, thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, throw a like on there, comment, subscribe to the YouTube channel, put it on your MySpace account, Reddit,